Here's how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Now I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'll show you the exact steps to be able to recover it on either device or even a computer. It works the exact same. Now keep in mind you can't do this within the Gmail app. So I'm going to go to mail.google.com, aka Google Gmail.com. And from here on the inbox, tap on the three lines at the top left. And then tap on trash midway down. You can see here all of your deleted emails. This could be potentially a place where you can just recover them from here. Keep in mind on any of these, if you didn't mean to delete it, you can just tap on it. And then next to delete forever, just tap the up arrow and choose move to inbox. Essentially, by going through this process, you'll put it back in your inbox if you just accidentally deleted it, but it's not permanently deleted. However, let's say it is permanently deleted and you wanted to recover it. There's another option. So let's open up a new tab on here and then just type in Google Recovery Tool. Again, Google Recovery Tool. On your iPhone or Android, Google or Gmail Recovery Tool. And you're going to tap on this link, Gmail Message Recovery Tool. You can see on here, the first thing you want to make sure is that you're logged into the correct account. So tap on your profile at the top right and make sure this is the correct email that you wanted to recover those permanently deleted emails. And on here, I'm going to hit continue. And it says confirm your account information. And again, hit continue. And it says on here, update your password before we can try to recover your messages. We may need to make sure it is your account. So hit continue here. And then basically it'll walk you through what it needs to do. And it will try to recover deleted emails within the last 30 days. Just tap on continue here and go through this process. Again, it might ask you to change your password or just verify that you have access to that account. After you've gone through that process, it will see if it can recover any of those emails and it will put them back into Gmail. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.